Okay, hello everyone. So today, actually throughout this entire week, I am getting ready to go to Italy for study abroad. So I need to go to Target, I need to go to Walmart, I need to go to the mall, I need to just pick up everything that I need to get ready for Italy. And this video basically will have everything you need to know about packing for study abroad, specifically for FSU study abroad in Florence. So if that's what you're looking for, then you're in the right place. But yeah, so basically just general study abroad, packing, what I'm gonna bring, what I'm not gonna bring. Then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna pack my bags, because I've done some research to kind of see like what's the best way to pack. So I'm going to show you how I'm gonna pack my bags, and then also just like taking along the journey of getting ready to go to Italy in 5 days. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so these are the bags that I got from TJ Maxx like over spring break. So they're hard shell, they're pretty nice. This one's obviously gonna be my checked bag. And then here's my carry-on. These are gonna help fold clothes. I'll show you how I'm gonna pack these full and all that. And here's my like toiletries bag that I'm gonna put everything in. Right now we are going to head to Target, I think, to pick up some things for study abroad. We have arrived. Target. Okay, so I'm looking at deodorant. I've heard that they don't have antiperspirant over there. They don't believe in it. They like have deodorant but not antiperspirant. So I'm like, I gotta find antiperspirant because I sweat a lot. So yeah, this is the one we got. Papatui. I don't know. It's supposed to be really good. So yeah. Now we are on our way to find a towel, a beach towel. I cannot find any beach towel. Okay, well, that's not true. I can, but they're ugly, and I need like thin ones. They only have these like thick ones. See? Like, I don't need so thick. I need like the tiny ones. I need like the sand cloud one. So we found this, which is like kind of what I'm looking for. It's like really thin, and it's really small and compact, and that's like what I was looking for. So I'm gonna hope this works. But yeah. Okay, so we got one bag. I got a few extra things, but mostly everything is for Italy. I'll show you what I got once I start like actually packing. But yeah. Okay, I'm testing out this mic thing that I got, by the way. So we're seeing how it works. Anyway, so I got back from Target and I have like I think I have mostly everything that I need, which is really good actually. So I think now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you like this cool spreadsheet that I found that helps me like organize all my packing into like what bags they're going in and make sure that I don't forget anything. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet that I used. I found it on TikTok. I'm going to try to find the person who created it. I feel so bad, but I'm going to try and find it so I can link them. But basically, you have all your stuff, and then you can choose which bag you want to put stuff in. So like I have everything, I can choose which bag I want. Then I can check it off, and it tells me how much I've packed, what I've packed it in, so that I don't forget anything, and so that everything is accounted for, and I don't lose anything. This is really great, and I'll link it down in the comments so anyone else can use it. Okay, hello everybody. So this is like kind of day 2 of my packing for Florence journey. So, I just came home from FSU about 4 days ago, and I didn't want to unpack all of my clothes. So like, all my clothes are in these 2 bins, and then there's some stuff that's in the closet already, but most of it is here and here. So basically today, I am going to go through it and kind of put stuff away, and then also, figure out what I need to pack. So I'm gonna try and do that like at the same time so I don't have to put stuff in the closet and then take it back out to put in my suitcase. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, so now we're gonna be going over like what you should pack and what you shouldn't pack, and also then later I'm gonna show you how to pack. So some things that are thinking that you need to take into consider when packing are like obviously where you're going, like what weather it's gonna be. So like I'm going to Florence, and I thought, oh, it's gonna be like summer, like it's gonna be hot all the time. That's not true. Apparently, it does get like temperate and like cold at night and in the morning. So I'm gonna have to like adjust my packing list. Do a little bit of research on where you're going, what time of year you're going, important. So obviously, other than like clothes, some like travel essentials that maybe tend to like be overlooked or maybe don't think about. First off, a first aid kit. Stuff like portable chargers are great. This thing, which is pretty cool for the plane, plugs into the aux jack and allows me to use my AirPods instead of those cheap airplane headphones, which is awesome. This is on Amazon. All this stuff's on Amazon. Stuff like power adapters. This is from the Apple World Travel Kit, so I can plug into my computer and stuff to charge, which is great. So when packing, you want to like everyone tells you not to overpack, but just be mindful of what you're bringing. And like, if you don't wear something now, you're probably not gonna wear it over there, unless you bought something specifically to wear over there. It's like I bought a few things that like are gonna be nice for over in Italy, but I wouldn't necessarily wear them here. And make sure you have good luggage. Make sure that it closes properly and everything because you're traveling out of the country. So keeping in mind of like America versus like other countries. So yeah, like I got air tags for my luggages, so that they're inside of them, they're hidden in there, so you wouldn't even know they're in there. So I can track them and keep an eye on them. And just make sure you're packing stuff where it should be, like liquids, obviously, and lithium batteries. Know where everything goes. Research your airline. Research what you can and can't bring, the weight limits, all that. And in terms of what not to bring, don't bring things obviously that you aren't gonna wear, that you know you're not gonna wear. Like if you have a feeling you're not gonna wear it, you might not want to bring it, just depending on how much space you have in your suitcase. And also, you want to leave room for stuff you want to buy there because you're going abroad. You're probably gonna buy stuff there, so you want to have enough room in your suitcase to bring it back with you, so that you don't have to ship stuff back, which can be super expensive, or have to throw stuff out that you brought there. It's a whole thing. So you just want to make sure you have room in your suitcase. So don't overpack. What you don't want to bring, you don't want to bring unnecessary items, large bottles of shampoo if you have smaller ones, or if you want to put them in smaller ones, or maybe if you want to buy that there, if you know that they have that brand there. For instance, like I'm bringing my shampoo, conditioner, and body wash just because I like what I have and I don't want to like have to find stuff there, and also I know it works for me. Don't bring more than 4 pairs of shoes. You should have like a running pair, like a workout, running, walking a lot pair, a daily like nice pair, and maybe a more casual pair, or maybe and then obviously for women if like heels and stuff like that. FSU provides bedding and linens, towels. So they provide everything like that in the house, in the apartments. So don't bring anything like that because that just takes up a lot of space in suitcases. Don't bring hair dryers or anything that or blow dryers or curlers because of the different kinds of voltage and different things. I don't know how it works, but don't bring them because they can tend to like stop working because there's too much power. Just don't bring them. Okay, so the best way that I've found to pack based on some YouTube videos that I've watched is that rolling your clothes. So like you have a shirt, for example. So then what you want to do is you want to just give it a fold it in half, so that you have just the simple like fold like this, and then you want to start rolling it from either direction, any side, doesn't matter. You usually want to roll it as tight as you can into a little like roll, just like this, and then you want to take it and put it in your packing cube and shove it all the way to one side. And you just want to repeat that over and over again until you have the bottom row full, and then you can start stacking. And then so once you think it's full, you want to close it almost 3/4 of the way, leaving just one opening on the packing cube, and then you push all the clothes to one side, and you can fit even more. Okay, so right here, what I'm doing is I'm emptying all of those bins that I had. I'm like sorting out the clothes that I'm gonna bring and I'm not gonna bring. So I actually have way too many clothes that I wanted to bring, so I had to kind of pare down a little bit and make some tough decisions. But eventually, I got everything packed that I wanted to, and I have like 5 pounds of room in my suitcase to bring stuff back home, and also my carry-on is relatively empty as well, so that's pretty good. Alrighty, so I've finished packing my carry-on or my check bag, and then all I have left to do is pack my carry-on bag. I've got like all my electronics in there because obviously that has to be in my carry-on because it can't be in my check bag. But that's pretty much it. That's all I have for like packing. I'm definitely not an expert, so don't like quote me or but like I was just offering some of my tips that I learned through like the research process of like how like people pack for these kinds of things, and just like kind of offering my 2 cents. If that helps anyone, if it helps one person, that'll be great for me, because that's kind of all that I wanted to do here, is just maybe help one person and kind of just document my like time abroad and be able to like make videos about it, and kind of just for me, but also for other people, I guess. It's mainly for me. So, and that'll be it for this packing video. But yeah, so I will see y'all when I leave on Sunday.
Mason says hi.